Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I am going to attempt to remove a dent from the STI. Right there. It's kind of a weird place. Something fell from here, went directly onto there. So I got a dent puller from Amazon and we're going to try it out. So this is the dent puller kit. Has the instructions right there. Looks pretty straightforward. What you do is you clean the area. You're gonna use this glue, heat it up. You're gonna use one of these attachments, the best that fits the dent, the area of the dent. I might use this one right here. And you glue it to the car. You wait about 3 to 5 minutes. When it's stuck on there, then you're gonna use this, and this is like rubber, it won't hurt the paint. You're gonna attach this to the dent puller, this little area right here. You just slide that in, and as you apply pressure, it's gonna bring it up and bring it up and bring it up until it pops that dent out of place. That's the theory. We are gonna test it. All right, turn the glue on. Okay, there we go. Give it 3 to 5 minutes. Let's go see about this one right here. It's on there pretty good. Okay. Let's see if it did it. If it did anything. get something. Wipe that off. Nope. You still. I'd say it helped a little bit, but it did not. It's a little better. It's still, there's still a tiny thing there. All right, so I don't know if you could tell. Right there, it actually did help it a lot. There's just this small little indentation right here, and I'm gonna try it again. But now use a smaller one, maybe this one right here. For Amazon, and you know, saving some money, this is a pretty good product. No do-it-yourself thing here. I know some take it to a shop and they want to charge you hundreds of dollars. So we shall do this again. Just a tiny little thing. I'd say it's there, like 5% little dent. But it looks 10 times better. It's a difficult spot.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and I'll catch you on the next video.